In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add wireless display in Windows using optional features. This is especially useful if you want to mirror your screen, cast to another display, or use features like wireless projection. If wireless display isn't working on your PC, it's usually because the optional feature isn't installed yet. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, click on the Windows menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, click on Settings to open the Windows Settings panel. Once you're inside Settings, use the search bar at the top and type Optional Features. Click on Optional Features from the search results. Now you'll be taken to the Optional Features page. You might notice if you search, the wireless display option isn't available. To fix that, click on View Optional Features. This section shows you all the additional Windows features you can install manually. Scroll through the list or use the search box and look for wireless display. When you see it, select it and click Add. Once you add it, your PC will be ready to support wireless display and screencasting features. You can now connect to compatible displays and use wireless projection without issues. And that's it. You've successfully added wireless display using Windows optional features. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.